Here's how to find your test and live API keys in Stripe. First, open your browser and go to stripe.com. Once you're there, click on the Sign In button in the top right corner. Enter your login info and head into your Stripe dashboard. Once you're logged in, look over to the left-hand sidebar. You'll see a section called Developers. Click on that to expand the developer tools. Then click on API Keys. Now you're on the page where both your test and live keys are stored. You'll see something like a publishable key and a secret key under each environment, one set for test mode and one for live mode. The test keys are what you use while you're building or testing your app. The live keys are what you'll use when you're ready to go live and accept real payments. To use them, just click the little copy icon next to each key and paste it into your code editor or wherever you store environment variables. Just a heads up, keep your live keys private. Anyone with access to those can interact with your Stripe account as if they were you.